How to make your website work for you without constant updates. Running a small business is hard enough. The last thing you need is a website that constantly demands your time. What if your website could work for you 24/7 without constant updates? In this video, I'll show you simple, set-and-forget strategies that turn your website into an automated lead machine using tools like chatbots, appointment booking, and smart contact forms. Let's make your website work for you, not the other way around. Step 1. Automate customer interactions. How much time do you spend answering the same questions? What's your pricing? Do you service my area? How do I book? Solution. Add a chatbot or FAQ automation. Chatbots can answer questions instantly, saving you hours on customer inquiries. You can set them up to capture leads by collecting names, emails, and phone numbers. Example: hi, need a quote, drop your details here and we'll get back to you ASAP. Set and forget tip: use a free chatbot tool like Tidio or Chatfuel. They work even when you're off the clock. Step 2. Let customers book themselves. If you're still scheduling appointments over the phone or playing email tag, there's a better way. Solution. Add online booking to your website. Tools like Calendly, Acuity Scheduling, or Square Appointments let customers book services instantly. No more back and forth. Clients choose a time, and you get a confirmed appointment in your calendar. Set and forget tip: sync your booking system with Google Calendar so appointments automatically update in your schedule. Step 3. Capture and convert more leads. A potential customer lands on your website, but if they don't call or book right away, what happens? You lose them. Solution. Smart contact forms and auto follow-ups. Add a simple, high-converting contact form that captures names, emails, and phone numbers. Use an automated email follow-up to send a friendly message. Thanks for reaching out. We'll contact you soon. In the meantime, here's a discount code for new customers. Set and forget tip: use a CRM like HubSpot or MailChimp to automate follow-ups and stay top of mind with leads. Final tips: keep your website running smoothly. These automation tools keep your website working without constant updates. But here are a few quick things to check. Make sure your contact forms work. Test them once a month. Check your chatbot responses. Update them if your services change. Ensure your booking system is synced so you never miss an appointment. Your website shouldn't be a time suck. With these simple automations, it runs like an employee, working 24/7 while you focus on growing your business. Want a website that does all of this for you? That's what we do at Engage. Click the link below for a free website consultation. Let's build a website that works so you don't have to. Engage, your business, our expertise.